the crypto world is still shocked by XRP Ripple. Every day, news comes out that XRP Ripple is likely to grow a lot in the next few months. In a rising market, the price of a coin can go up by 3,000%. Is that possible? This isn't a myth or a fairy story. It's happening right now. You'll be sorry you missed that show. Do not miss a single second. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. The price of XRP Ripple coin has finally gone up. The Bitcoin market as a whole was doing well at the time of this rise. The Federal Open Market Committee's positive statements made investors want to buy riskier assets like cryptocurrencies, which helped the market grow. This rise was in line with how the market as a whole reacted to the committee's idea that interest rate hikes might be put off until 2024. This set the trend for asset values to go up. A group in the U.S. is called the Federal Open Market Committee. The Federal Reserve is in charge of setting interest rates and controlling the amount of money in circulation. It changes how people feel about investing in different things, including cryptocurrencies like XRP, when they make announcements like the one that happened not long ago. Investors often feel safer putting their money into risky things like cryptocurrencies when the Federal Open Market Committee says they might not raise interest rates too much in the future. Recently, the value of all cryptocurrencies went up. However, XRP Ripple did not do the same. Explain why things are so stable. Allow me to explain. Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission are still in court, which has made things very unclear for XRP, the cryptocurrency that is linked to Ripple. Investors have been worried because there hasn't been any big news or changes in the case in a while. What could happen if the Securities and Exchange Commission decides to review the decision about the way XRP was sold? This is something that people are thinking about. Programmatic sales are a way to buy or sell XRP on coin exchanges that uses computer programs or algorithms to do the work automatically. The selling of these things is done automatically by programs or algorithms instead of by people. The goal of programmatic sales is to speed up the selling process and maybe even meet certain goals or conditions set by the buyers without any help from a person. When it comes to the SEC case, it's about how these automated ways were used to sell XRP and whether that should make XRP a security or not. But what's the difference between crypto and securities? Let me make that clear. Securities are money items that show control or a promise to pay back with interest. They are usually connected to the value of a company. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are protected by cryptography. They are usually used for transactions or to keep value. Securities usually show ownership or debt, but cryptocurrencies can be used for many things and don't always show ownership in a business or a promise to pay back a debt. So how should we group XRP Ripple? Is it safety or crypto? A court ruled in July that XRP wasn't a property when it was sold in a certain way, such as through special trading platform programs or algorithms. This was good news for people who own Ripple and XRP. Because XRP might have had to deal with more rules and problems if it was called a security. In October, the Securities and Exchange Commission tried to appeal this ruling, but the court said no. They will have to wait until the current case is over before they can try to appeal again. People who buy an XRP aren't sure what will happen next or how this legal back and forth could affect the future of the coin. This case is very important for XRP because the result could change how the cryptocurrency is traded and regulated. In order to find answers or ways to fix the problem, Ripple and the SEC are currently gathering information about how Ripple sold XRP to large investors such as institutions. Some lawyers believe that past cases may be on Ripple's side when it comes to the fines or punishments they could face. The SEC, on the other hand, seems very eager to try to change the decision about how XRP was sold through special programs. That was thought to be good for Ripple. There isn't likely to be any more judicial back and forth before the summer of 2024. That's when this whole thing might be over. It might take until 2025 or even later to get a final ruling, if there is an appeal. For people who have invested in Ripple and XRP, this waiting game is very important. What happens will have a big effect on how Ripple works and how people see and use XRP in the crypto world. What do you think about that? What do you think will happen in that case? Should we get ready for the worst or, on the other hand, expect big growth? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. But experts are sure that XRP Ripple will work. They think XRP will soon reach its all-time high. Let's start right away. This year, XRP Ripple coin has done very well. Since the start of the year, its price has gone up by 83%. The main reason for this huge growth is a vital court ruling that XRP is not a security. This gives it more credibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of investors. The price of the coin is still about 500% less than its all-time high, though. It is possible to hit this previous high, but the time frame for such a surge is getting a lot of attention. Change Ally, a huge coin exchange, has given information about this interesting timeline. The big difference between the coin's present value and its peak value suggests that it could go up in value. Change Ally's view could shed light on what's causing this strange time frame, which could change how the coin gets back to its previous high. It is expected that the price of XRP will keep going up, according to the cryptocurrency market. The site thinks that XRP could go up a lot, maybe even by almost 20% by the end of the month. Based on the predictions, XRP might not reach its all-time high again until later, maybe between 2027 and 2028. These predictions from the site show that XRP's price could reach a high point of $3.49 in 2027. You should be careful with these kinds of long-term predictions because they are based on a lot of assumptions and market factors that can change a lot over time, even though they can point you in the right way. Cryptocurrency prices are often affected by things that are hard to predict. These predictions show a possible path for the price of XRP in the future. Change Ally thinks that by 2028, XRP could hit a low point of more than $4, which could create a strong support level around its previous high point. This points to a slow upward trend, which means that the price will likely stay the same for a while longer.